Hi everyone, I'm Katrin and this is Katrin's Catch of the Day. I produce motherhood videos and if you're also into that, let's connect. Please hit that subscribe button. Today we are going to explore OliOli. What is OliOli? It is an experiential children's play museum, a spacious indoor sanctuary that offers wholesome, fun, and hands-on activities. There is something for kids of all ages and adults are just as welcome. It is located here in Dubai next to Oasis Centre Mall. OliOli have 8 galleries and over 40 hands-on exhibits, starting off with Air Gallery. Whether your kids have a passion for aerodynamics or just love making paper planes, launching rockets, experimenting with shapes on airstreams, and shooting stuff with wind cannons, the Air Gallery is for you. The TOSHI nets. Kids can climb or swing through the net as they learn to assess risk. Part trampoline, part playground, part Alice-in-Wonderland-style adventure. It's a giant string woven creation filled with colorful holes and magical shapes. It took almost a year to make, weighs a whopping 800 kg, and can hold 29 baby elephants. With less than 10 in the world, make sure you experience the one and only in the Middle East. Museum of the Moon. Get up close and visually explore the lunar surface, created by artist Luke Jerram. There are only 7 moons in the world and one of them has found a home at OliOli. Now you can take a closer look at the lunar surface without having to set foot in a rocket. Immerse yourself with their VR experience. You can drive around the lunar surface in a moon rover just as the astronauts did all those years ago. Museum of the Moon is definitely an out-of-this-world adventure. The Future Park, a truly collaborative and creative environment where kids can see their artwork come to life on their interactive screens. Rapid technological development will continue to accelerate into the future and many jobs will be taken over by machines. In 30 years, today's children will have jobs that we cannot imagine. In a future society, traits that only humans can possess, such as the ability to think and act creatively, will become increasingly more important. The Toddler Gallery gives children the time to play and discover new worlds, and parents the time to engage and bond. From active play to sensory play, simple puzzles to popping bubbles, everything about this space is designed to provide wonder and development. Research clearly shows that the earliest years of life are the most important to a child's physical, social, emotional, and cognitive growth. The right stimulation is known to build neural pathways in the brain and influence not only the child's ability to learn, but also their social attitudes. And Anderson's favorite gallery is the Water Gallery. With over 10 interactive hands-on activities, the Water Gallery is all about splashing about and experiencing how water behaves. Dance in the rain, play with the water vortex, fire a bowl canyon, or wash a real car. From simple day-to-day play to scientific experimentation, there's gallons of fun for all ages. Building on a child's natural fascination for water play, OliOli helped them learn about the power and motion of the planet's most remarkable resource, along with rich opportunities to explore the natural world and scientific principles. Every experience will also support your child's social skills, critical thinking, and gross motor skills. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!